Hujambo na karibu, naitwa Davis Meria. Timu ya taifa ya wanawake Harambee Starlets ina matumaini hatimaye kunasa ushindi wao wa kwanza katika michuano ya AFCON kule Morocco wakati wanapambana na Algeria katika mechi yao ya mwisho ya kundi A Jumatatu. Sikiza kauli yao.
The experience I have, combined with the players we have, I know we're going to give our best in this last match. The morale is still high. The players were still prepared, and what I know, we are going to take the positive things that we had in the last two games, take them to the next match, and I believe and trust that we shall come out victorious.
Few knocks here and there, but they're being worked on. So yes, every player is ready for selection. You're going to see maybe a good quality, or a better quality than you saw in the previous match, but of course the approach is going to be different. We still have 90 minutes to play, and we are going to give our best in the 90 minutes. So yeah, we're still positive, we're still going to play.
Kila la heri kwa timu hiyo. Matthew Kipchumba